Good evening, everybody. First, congratulations to my players and staff for the effort and the focus inside of majority of the game.
Pirmiausia, noriu padėkoti savo komandai ir savo klubo darbuotojams už susikaupimą didžiąją rungtynių dalį.
I think that in the first 25 minutes we were like pretty much increasing, although in the second quarter we were a little bit on the wings of the offense, which I don't like to say because I'm always, criticized when I think about defense, but I think that champions are finding their game inside of the defense.
Pirmas 25 minutės mes nuolat gerinome savo žaidimą ir galbūt labai geriau sekėsi pulti, vis geriau. Ir norėčiau pasakyti, kad čempionas apsprendžia visų pirma gynybą.
And then, in the end of the third and the beginning of the fourth quarter, we were like a little bit, stuck in the terms of offense, but we allowed Rytas to convert 4 times transition, and then they came to the margin, which gave them a hope that the game can return on their way.
Trečiajame kėlinyje mes prasileidome kelias atakas, sustojo mūsų puolimas, prasileidom 4 greitas atakas ir tai Lietuvos Rytai suteikė vilčių, kad jie gali sugrįžti į žaidimą.
But the bottom line, we did the job, and we're going to forget this game as soon as we sit in a bus. We respect too much our opponent to think anything but that. It's a new game, new story, so still everything is open. We are going back home, trying to play the best game against Rytas on Sunday.
Tačiau esmė ta, kad šias rungtynės mes pamiršime atsisėdę į autobusą ir nesvarbu, kas sugalvos varžovai, kitas rungtynės mes privalome žaisti kaip įmanoma geriausiai.
Not to forget to say thank you for the crowd, especially the Žalgiris fans. It was a really nice atmosphere tonight, and enjoy to play.
Mums labai patinka rungtynės, noriu pasakyti ačiū už atmosferą, ypač Žalgirio fanams. Mums patiko. Klausimai, prašau.
Do you have any questions?
Are you going to forget how Rytas makes the plays? The plays Rytas makes?
Be a little bit more creative.
Like the plays? Deriniai.
Combination.
We are forgetting about what happened in this game. We are forgetting the result. If you want me to say one more time, I don't know what you think about Rytas plays.
Dar klausimų, prašau.
Did you plan any emphasis on Delininkaitis in offense? This was key factor, X factor, which occurred during the game.
Listen, I know Tomas a long time ago. First time I saw him 2005 when he was playing for Rytas and I was a coach of Red Star, and his talent was never doubtful, especially offensive skills, Tomas stepped us and did a great job for us since the moment that we needed him big time in rotation after we lost players in April, in March, in the end of the March. And he's increasing his shape. About did we emphasize? Yes, we emphasized some things, but we didn't emphasize, like strictly that thing or the other thing, He was just the one, and the team recognized, the moment where he was the one. Also, the team recognized when the Mantas was the one in a certain part of the game. And what I told him on halftime, keep doing your job in the offense, but never get worried if you start to miss, because there is a lot of other aspects inside of the game which can help us except the scoring.
Klausimas buvo apie tai, ar buvo dedamas ypač toks akcentas ant Tomo Delininkaičio puolimo. Treneris sako, kad jis pažįsta Tomą 2005 metų, kai jis buvo Cervena Zvezda treneris, o Delininkaitis žaidė Lietuvos Ryte ir jis niekad neturėjo kažkokių abejonių dėl Tomo talento puolant. Ir šiandien ypač akcentas nebuvo dedamas ant to, kad Tomas žaistų ir pultų. Tačiau, kai pamatė, kad jiems sekasi, tai treneris padrąsino ir sakė, kad jeigu netgi nesiseks, jeigu pradės nepataikyti, tai yra dar kitų žaidimo aspektų, kurie atsilieps galutiniam rezultatui.